Okay, so Andy talks a little bit about how do you estimate the best fit of your model, and there's something that you can look at which is known as your residual sum of squares, and all the residual sum of squares is when you think about that term, it is the difference in each of these data points. And that difference squared. And so ultimately, if we took every single one of these blue dots and we found the difference between the blue dot and the predicted model, we squared that value, we would get an estimate of how good our data are represented by the model. And so the smaller that difference, then the more our data represent the model, or the better fit the model is, and the larger that difference is, the less goodness of fit the model is. All right, so in essence, we want a small sum of a residual sum of squares versus a large residual sum of squares. So we want our data points to fall as close to the predicted model as possible. And SPSS is going to give us some of this data, and it's going to tell us how well our data represent or how well our data are a good fit for the model.